Hey everyone, are your Mint Mobile calls not coming through? In this video, I'll guide you through quick and effective steps to fix the issue and ensure you never miss a call again. Let's jump in. Why Mint Mobile calls not coming through? Weak or no coverage in your area prevents call from connecting properly. Software glitches or outdated operating system may disrupt call functionality. Improper SIM card insertion or a eSIM activation can lead to connectivity problems. Airplane mode left on or network mode configuration can block cellular connections. Fix 1. Check coverage. Checking coverage confirms signal availability. Moving to an area with a better reception can help resolve call issues caused by weak or no signal. Go to Mint Mobile coverage map page, input your address or location, make sure you have enough coverage in your area. Ensure your phone has a sufficient signal strength. Fix 2. Check for balance. Checking balance ensure active service as insufficient balance can block incoming calls. Method 1. Using Mint Mobile app. Log into your Mint Mobile account using the app on the main dashboard and scroll down to see plan details and expiry date. Method 2. Using website. Find My Plan tab which displays your balance and expiry date. If it is not active, recharge now to continue the service. Alternatively, type balance to 6700 to receive plan details and expiry via text message. Fix 3. Restart network connections. Restarting network connections will disconnect from the weak signal and connect to strong signal. Swipe down your device, quick settings or open control center if you are using iPhone. Enable airplane mode, wait for 30 seconds and disable airplane mode. Restart your phone. Restarting clears temporary system glitches, refreshes network connections and ensure proper functioning of features like Mint Mobile's International Pass. For Android, press and hold the power button or power plus volume down for 1 to 2 seconds. Select the restart option from the menu. Wait for the mobile to restart. For iOS, press and hold the power button or power plus volume up for 2 seconds. Swipe the power icon to turn off the device. Press the power button or power plus volume up again to turn it back on. Reset network settings. It removes any misconfigured settings that may prevent the device from connecting to roaming network properly. On Android, open settings, tap system or general management varies by device. Then select reset options or reset, tap reset network settings, confirm and reset your device. On iOS, open the settings app, go to general, then transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset to choose reset network settings, enter a passcode and confirm. Remove and reinsert SIM. Reinserting the SIM card helps reestablish communication between your device and the carrier's network. It can refresh carrier-specific settings stored on the SIM, ensuring proper APN functionality. Turn off your phone, use a SIM ejector tool or paperclip to remove the SIM tray. Carefully remove the SIM card, inspect it for damage and clean it gently. Reinsert the SIM card into the tray and place it back into your phone. Turn your phone back on and check if the issue is resolved. Fix 7. Restart eSIM. If you are using eSIM, try restarting it. Turning on eSIM off and on refreshes its connection to the carrier network, potentially resolve issues like dropped or missed calls caused by network configuration errors or signal interference. On iOS, open settings and tap cellular or mobile data. Select the eSIM profile you want to manage, toggle the line on or off. On Android, open settings and navigate to connections or network and internet. Tap SIM card manager or mobile network, select the eSIM profile and toggle it on or off. Limitations of using multiple eSIM. Devices may only support two active lines simultaneously even if multiple eSIMs are stored. If you have more than one active eSIM, disable another one and check for the calls. Fix 8. Change network mode. On iOS, open settings, tap cellular or mobile data, then cellular data options, select voice and data, and choose either 5G auto, 5G on, or LTE 4G depending on your preferences. On Android, open settings, navigate to connections or mobile network, tap network mode, and select options like 5G, 4G, 3G, or 2G auto, or specific modes like LTE, 4G, or 5G only. Changing network mode resolves call reception issues by ensuring compatibility with the carrier's network, optimizing signal strength, and avoiding conflicts between unsupported modes. Fix 9. Update device operating system. Updating iOS ensures compatibility with carrier system and fix bugs that might prevent calls from being received. To update Android, open the settings app and go to system. Then go to software update or similar depending on your device. Tap check for update. If an update is available, tap download and install. Ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery life. Fix 10. Contact Mint support. If MMS or internet still doesn't work, contact Mint Mobile Support for assistance or request a replacement SIM card if needed. Call Mint Mobile Support for assistance. Dial 1-800-683-7392 for assistance. To replace SIM using app, sign in and click accounts. At the right bottom of the screen, scroll down to SIM cards and click order replacement SIM. Select your SIM type, physical SIM or eSIM. For a physical SIM replacement, you have to pay $9.95. Click checkout and complete the purchasing process. Once received the SIM, insert the new SIM into mobile and you will see the issue resolved. Using website, log into your account online. Scroll down to support and click replace SIM. Provide your required details and pay $9.95 to complete purchasing process. If you want eSIM, the option is only available in app. Once received the SIM, insert it into your mobile and check for the issue. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.